Can you jump? Yes, I can jump high. What are you doing? I am playing with my doll. What are you eating? I am eating cake. Are you okay? I am fine. What is this? This is a doll. What are you drawing? I am drawing a cat. Are you singing? Yes, I am singing a song. Can you run fast? I can run very fast. What are you reading? I am reading a book. Who are you helping? I am helping my friend. What are you cooking? I am cooking pasta. Where are you sitting? I am sitting on the chair. Are you dancing? Yes, I am dancing too. The music. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim in the pool. What are you writing? I am writing a letter. Are you listening? Yes, I am listening carefully. What are you painting? I am painting a house. Can you climb the tree? Yes, I can climb the tree. Who are you calling? I am calling my mom. Are you laughing? Yes, I am laughing at the joke. What are you buying? I am buying some apples. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Where are you sleeping? I am sleeping on my bed. Are you washing your hands? Yes, I am washing my hands. What are you planting? I am planting flowers. What are you drinking? I am drinking water. What are you finding? I am finding my chores. Can you play the piano? Yes, I can play the piano. Are you baking cookies? Yes, I am baking cookies. What are you making? I am making my bed. Are you studying? Yes, I am studying for my test. Are you watering the plants? Yes, I am watering the plants. Can you tie your shoes? Yes, I can tie my shoes. Are you brushing your teeth? Yes, I am brushing my teeth. Are you cleaning the house? Yes, I am cleaning the house. What are you packing? I am packing my bag. Can you solve this puzzle? Yes, I can solve this puzzle. Are you ironing your clothes? Yes, I am ironing my clothes. What are you learning in school? I am learning math. Can you write your name? Yes, I can write my name. Are you playing soccer? Yes, I am playing soccer. Can you read this book? Yes, I can read this book. Are you coloring the picture?